So this is in Newport, Kentucky. What we're looking at here is an encapsulated wood deck, a pine deck, a little bit higher end deck, a little bit higher end wood deck system. It does have a nicer rail system and, you know, like some custom carpentry work in its railings, things like that. But by any stretch of the imagination, it's a pine decking system. So a standard decking system. It was severely weathered with around 10 rotten boards in it from years and years and years and years of care, protection with thin residential deck paints and stains. And what we know here in Cincinnati, Northern Kentucky, is that thin residential deck paints and stains, they do not cover in fastener entry points, so screw holes, and they do not cover in the cracks in boards, so they wholly leave decks unprotected. And from years and years and years of that, this deck became severely weathered and developed board rot. What we've got now is what we call the Kong Armor Lifetime Deck Armor System, the world's toughest deck armor. We've brought it in and we've done something we call encapsulation, lockdown. And what that delivers is it delivers a deck that's just engulfed in the toughest deck elastomer today on the planet. We call it the world's toughest deck armor, but it's got the action of the pressing into the nail and screw holes, the pressing into the cracks, 100% cracks filled in on the floor, 100% nail and screw holes filled in for what we call true water lock. It stops board rot. It stops when we don't allow that water to get in anymore. It stops that radical expansion and contraction and extends the life of outdoor wood decks indefinitely, really, when they're encapsulated in Kong. We talk about first-in-class UV block technology to fight that sun. The rays, they'll come down, they'll hit Kong's surface, 95% UV deflection, back up into the atmosphere where they belong. From there, we talk about first-in-class splinter lock, right? Splinters, frayed wood, any of this type of stuff where kids can run their hands across, like this stuff here. This was severely weathered, and if you would have took your hands through there without Kong on it, you'd be eaten up with splinters, puncture wounds. Kong blocks that, okay? Because everything's encapsulated in this high build exoskeleton that locks down splinters. We call it splinter lock technology. That's here now on this Lifetime Deck Armor system, right? From there, we can go into Kong's rating for foot traffic. Unlike thin residential deck paints and stains, Kong, you can walk on it. It's rated to be walked on. It's rated for the American family, specifically designed thick in what we call the high build, thick build, ultra tough. So that, look, we can run up through here with our shoes on. The dogs can run through here, and it's ultra thick and ultra tough to break down, right? Rated for foot traffic. What they don't tell you guys is your thin residential deck paints and stains, not rated for foot traffic. We brought in about $500 worth of the world's toughest deck post crack filler. I'll show you a little video of that, where Damas, the deck rescue painter of Kong Armor, came in and was filling in the big, large cracks. And he even took away an ugly knot that was down there in one of the posts. But look, large cracks, knots, voids, carpenter bee holes, imperfections, any of these type of things, absolutely fill in with silverback epoxy. And then that stuff cures up 3 to 5 times harder than concrete. So if you try to bust it out of there, like this one's got silverback in it, in the cracks, If you try to bust it out of there, it's like trying to chisel concrete out of a crack. It's just very, very tough stuff. Rated to take on 7 to 10,000 psi of movement without failing, without busting. So it belongs with the world's toughest deck armor. It's our filler, right? You can think of it like our filler. It's what we use to fill in large openings that would take our coating system too long to fill in. We bring in silverback, right? We've dumped about 50 gallons of industrial grade, high build, high stretch, ultra tough Kong armor, lifetime deck armor on this system. Your average deck refinishing project, be a local painter, contractor, handyman, using thin residential deck paints and stains, you might get lucky and they might dump 15 gallons on a deck this size. Big, big difference. Everything done by crew. Boom, bam. We were here one day, we washed it, we replaced all the bad rotten boards, stainless steel fasteners we did that with, okay, to stop future board rot. With our, utilized our ready to coat decking lumber. Another day of coating, and then here we are 3 or 4 hours into the next day. It's been boom, bam, boom. We're done. Low intrusion, we get in, we get it done, we get it wrapped up, and we deliver lifetime deck armor. Locally backed for life here in Cincinnati, Northern Kentucky, Southeast Indiana, via an unmatched in the industry. Lifetime limited warranty that covers labor and coating. Just show us you've got large scale peeling, cracking, bubbling, that type of stuff. You get it fixed for life. We provide the coating to fix it. And here's the big kicker. We send the deck restoration painters back out to resolve it. You pay nothing. Lifetime service promise to stave off dilapidation. Kong armor. It's called a lifetime deck armor system. It comes with professional cleaning, professional touch-up for little tiny things that aren't large-scale failure. For example, if somebody drags something up your steps, chips up the front of your steps, chips up the coating, these little type of actions, Kong comes with once annual cleaning, touch-up for that type of stuff for life. It all equals you never completely paint, stain, refinish your deck system again. And all you have to do, you can lock all that down in this beautiful high build finish on any deck here in the tri-state. All of it. All you got to do, go to kongarmor.com, sign up for a free quotation. From the moment you sign up to that free quotation, if you take action, we'll have you done 2 weeks from right now today from you seeing this video. Take action and get the world's toughest deck armor. We'll see you later.